This is going to be the elevator at the Springfield Mall in Springfield, Virginia. We have a Kone elevator. It used to be a Westinghouse elevator, but it got modded by Kone. We're going to the upper level.
Doors closing.
Look at the ropes. Upper level.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Watch the counter. That's the counter.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Take one more ride.
Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors opening.
One more ride. Look out the window. Watch the door close.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
Coming out.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing. Doors closing. Doors opening.
That's somebody who was calling me earlier.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing.
There it goes. That'll be it.